In this video, we would be talking about who is the best between the strong believer and the weak believer. According to Emaan Muslim, may Allah have mercy on him, he collected an amazing Hadith in his chapter on Qadar in his large collection of authentic narrations known as Sahih Muslim. On the authority of Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "The strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah than the weak believer, while there is still goodness in both. Guard over that which benefits you. Seek Allah's assistance. Do not be weak by passing up chances to do good, and if a trial befalls you, don't say, 'Had I only done such and such, this would not have happened,' but rather say, 'This is Allah's decree, and He does what He wills,' for verily the phrase, 'Had I only,' makes way for the work of shaitan." Shaykh Salih al-Fawzan, may Allah preserve him, explain in his own word, "The believer who is strong in his emaan, body, and actions, is better than the weak believer, the one who has weak emaan, or a weak body or weak actions." That is because the strong believer is productive and accomplishes things for the Muslims, and thus they benefit from his physical strength, actions, and his strong emaan. They benefit greatly from that in military campaigns in Allah's way, in other affairs that benefit the Muslims, and in defending Islam and the Muslims. He can humiliate the enemies, when that is called for, and can stand up to their challenges. This is something the weak believer cannot do. So from this angle the strong believer is better than the weak one, while there is good in both. Since Iman in its entirety is good, so there is good in the weak believer. But the strong believer has more goodness for himself, his religion, and his brother Muslims. So this hadith is an encouragement to have strength, as Islam is the religion on strength, the religion of honor, the religion of prestige. The Muslims are always to be possessors of strength, as Allah, the glorified and exalted, says, "And prepare for them all the might you can gather, including riding beasts, to threaten Allah and your enemies with, and Allah, Most High, says, and to Allah belongs all honor, and to His Messenger, and to the Muslims." So the strength that is sought from us in Islam is strength in Iman and Aqidah, as well as strength in our actions and bodies, because all of this brings forth good things for the Muslims. Based on the above hadith, it is known that a strong believer has a lot of goodness than a weak believer. May Allah make us among the strong and count us among His righteous servants.